Hello, this is Johnny. I just got in Arcade1up Countercade. It is a two-player Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle, and we're gonna do unboxing, and we're gonna do a review. We're gonna measure it and check out the game, see if this one have improved Ninja Turtle, because the last Ninja Turtle we have the big cabinet. It have some issue with some of the music. Right now the music in the background is the Ninja Turtle arcade right now that is running the game. Okay, let's check it out. That's the music on the first one that had the music kind of off. So if you listen to it here, that's the part that a lot of people wasn't happy about. Okay, so let me turn the sound down. All right, so let's look at this 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 cabinet. Let's move away from the light. You can see better without the light reflection. All right, so it's pretty cool. It doesn't have the game listed like the Marvel Capcom version, and side arc as beautiful as the first one. The capture the look is glossy and it's very pretty. Okay, and there's the back of it, and here it is flat, so you could actually put something on top, like I did with the Pac-Man one. Oop, sheer noise. Here's another size art, and it's supposed to have a head jack right there. That's a head jack. You could put it in so you can listen to it. Okay, so that's what it looked like. We're gonna go ahead and peel off the sticker and power it up and see how it sounds. Is it gonna have the same issue as that one? Now listen to it at the end right here. It doesn't sound good. So hopefully that this version that they will fix that problem. We're gonna see very soon. Maybe I should unscrew the screw so when I peel off it won't leave the... I'm not gonna be able to peel this off without cutting it. Same problem like last time, I have to cut it. So peel this off. Now since I'm run out of space, honestly, if I have to move some furniture out of here, like the dresser or the shelf, if I want to bring more arcade here in this room, because and I don't want just this room just be arcade. I want to be able to at least, you know, have my tool in here. You know, if I want to do a video, I could do it in here, and if I want to do some hack stuff like that, I could actually work in this room too with my computer and stuff. So I like to have a computer here, laptop and computer in this room too, and desk. So at this moment I don't have space for any more arcade. I have, the reason I bought this is because I want to fix my Galaga. My Galaga screen is messed up, and this one should have a perfect screen on all the angle from the one that I did unboxing. So we would soon find out, are they all the same or would they have an issue? Why do they screw this all the way down in here? How are you gonna pull this out? Ah, I need to take the screw out so I can peel it off better. Alright, let's go ahead and power this thing on. Let me go ahead and turn this one off for 1 second and turn this one on so we can listen to the sound from this machine. So this one have a light up Marquee, which is very nice. Okay. And it's loading. And we're going to check all the angles. Now the power cable is 6 foot long. So just letting you know, sometimes I forget to measure it, but it's 6 foot long. And we're going to check the Marquee, see if it's bleeding or anything like that. And we're also going to check the screen, see how well the screen is. So we're going to bring it in more. And based on what I could see, the Marquee seem to be okay. Let me settle it down. Zoom it back up. Seem to be pretty nice. The color is pretty even across it. Here is kind of a little bit, the picture look like you could tell is a little faded out when they use this picture to create it, because I don't remember seeing that on the original one. The original one does not show as bad, but this one with the light up, you can see the black here, that they could have touched it up a little bit before they use this picture and paint it. But other than that, it's good. Marquee is good. All the thing is nice. Okay. And let's go ahead and look at the screen. Here's the music coming up. Now this is the music from the second one. I think the music's the same. The music had that same little, like a you know, those at the end when the music after finish singing. So let's go ahead and start the game. So the ROM thing is still the same. It's gonna start. Let's turn it up. Right here, this is the part that is messed up. Same ROM, same kind of crap. Yeah, they didn't. I don't know. Music copyright, I don't know. Don't know what is the reason behind it, that they use that music ROM instead. But okay, you get to pick any character you want, so that's good. Okay, the right side, the left side is good. The right side is good. So this screen, so far, no issue. Now let's look at the top. Looking down. Okay, look like it's fine. And now the trick is looking at the bottom. So we move the camera over. Okay, so I was looking from the bottom. Move my stand. Look like this screen is okay too. So you could use this one for, I could use this one for Galaga. So the screen is good. Here's another view from the right. And here's another view from the left. So yeah, the screen is good. no issue with the screen on all the angles, so that's very nice. Now the control deck, this is what it looks like. You get 3 buttons and another 3 button over here. See the ending of the music is still the same. Alright, so here, this is what I'm talking about. Here is the artwork that they use. You could tell that it's not that great. So if you look at back here, it's not as much, you know, where the black color is still black. But when this one light up with the light, you can see that color right there. But other than that, it's good. Alright, so let's play some game and check it out. Alright, let's go ahead and measure the deck. From here to here, you're looking at about 16.5. See right there? 16.5. Okay. So 16.5 right here. Yeah, I hurt my finger, so I have a band-aid on. So 16.5. And from the screen, the width, it should be 8.5. Yeah, 8.5. And the top and bottom should be pretty much the same, I think. Oh, from the top and bottom is 8 inches. Okay. And the width of the deck is 6 inches. You'll see that 6. So in the Marquee is 2.5.6, and the width is 8.5, same width. Okay, now the diagonal should be 8 inches. So 8 inches diagonal, and the screen 6.5, and the height is 4.4. Okay, and this thing thickness is 1.8 down here. It's about 1.8. It's about like right here, 1.8. Not 2, but right here, 1.8. And the joystick height is shorter than the normal joystick that I know of. I think it's a lot shorter than the other one. Alright, let's see how the gameplay goes. So let's go ahead and start the game. Oh, I am playing already. Let's go ahead and start from beginning. You got resume game, reset, and quit the game. You said press attack button to go back. So we're going to quit. Let's go ahead and reset, so we can start playing the game. So I'm standing up, and this is on the chair, on the stool, and I'm standing up playing this game. So I can still see the full screen. It's not, Marquee is not blocking the screen, so that's good. Let's press the jump to select the character. Graphics is very pretty. The color compared to the Super Nintendo version, the arcade version is a lot better. I'm playing 2-player. It's not too hard to play 2-player because the joystick is so close to each other. What about keep on jumping? Ah, keep on pressing the one button, that's why. And how loud can this get? Uh-oh, the boss is here.
Say your prayers, Toto.
Alright, they don't have a save option. It just have resume, reset, and quit. So there's no option to save. Like I cannot go back to the same stage I was in, and so I will have to quit the game. Alright, let's go to the... So this time the screen is just like this, that's it. Go from Ninja Turtle to Ninja Turtle in time. How I got here in the first place. Okay, you press the player and attack at the same time to get out of that screen. Oh, that's the input test for jump. Attack is for game setting. Let's try. Okay, so you got game setting here before you start the game. So you can make it easy, live. You could have 9, 8, demo sound, and you could have a scan line. So I'm gonna leave the scan line off. I'm gonna save it. Alright, let's start the game. Now this one don't have any music problem. Same with the big brother over there. This little one, it's the same. Doesn't have a...
This is April O'Neill reporting.
Time. Prepare to die.
There you go, finally drove that person out. Do it again. Yeah.
Pizza time.
Terminate the turtle.
Yeah.
Now I got this one from Target. I was able to do price match and use the Target 10% discount plus the red card discount. So I was able to get it for 180. But 180 is the best I could get for, instead of paying 229 before tax. So I got this one after tax is 180. So it's not bad. Not as cheap as the first one I got, because the first one I got I paid only like 166. So that was good. That was a very good price. Because the Amazon was selling it for 179, I believe. So I was able to do price match. But this one I'm only able to get for Alright, that's pretty much it. So I really like it. The screen is good, the controller is good. You can play 2-player. The same as the marble one. And it is going to be exactly the same game as the big one back there. The game and everything is the same ROM, same kind of sound thing. But this one at least have a lighter Marquee. And instead of paying like a $300-400 cabinet, now it probably is $600, $800 cabinet for Ninja Turtle, $849 or something. But this one you could get it and you could play the same game. If you like to stand up and play, you could put it on the stool like I did and stand up play it, or you could put it on the desk and sit down and play it. All right. So, yep, they did a good job. I give it A+. I enjoy it. Well, not A+, probably A, because the music, they still did not fix the music. And it would be great if they add more game. The marble cabinet is Countercade have 4 games. That's the only one have 4 games and have 6 buttons and 2 joysticks. This one have 2 joysticks but only have 3 buttons and only come with 2 games. Okay. The other 2, like the Mortal Kombat, I think is the same thing, only 2 games. Either 2 or 3. I'll put it on the description. I forgot how many. Last time I looked, it wasn't 4 games for sure. And then the basketball is the same thing. I think they both only have 2 games. The only one have 4 games was the marble superhero, the one I did on the last video. If you haven't checked that video out, check that one out. And also I talk about how to remove the screen and put it on the vertical one. Put the vertical one back here because we don't play the game looking down. So we could use the vertical screen over here and use this screen for the one that is a vertical one, because that vertical screen is just crazy on the left side. It just don't work. So I bought this to fix my vertical Countercade with Arcade1up. Alright, the sound is real high, that's why I'm talking real loud. Yes, so I'm using this screen to replace the vertical Countercade or Countercade from Arcade1up, and so that would make by both world make me happy, because then all the screen direction would be good, because I don't look down while playing this game. So that would be good to put the bad screen that from this angle was not good, bring it over here and take this one that all the screen direction is good, put that one in the vertical cabinet, the 2nd generation. And this is 3rd generation, so it's good. And I am the first one who did unboxing. I haven't seen anybody unbox Ninja Turtle. Now this is my 2nd favorite one that I don't mind buying it, because Ninja is always my favorite game and I love it. So I went and got it. Alright, hopefully this helped on your purchase. Yeah, wait till Black Friday or Christmas or holiday, Thanksgiving. They might have sales that bring the price down. So I don't think they're gonna run out. I mean, as high as the price, so high, people is not gonna go out there and buy it unless they like really want it. They never have a Ninja Turtle, and they want to get one, then I recommend, yeah. But the price is too high. It's $229. You could buy. I bought the Pac-Man for that price. Pac-Man, I think I paid like $260, and you paying with tax. You paying the same price as me buying the 12-in-1, and I got it for, you know, with the price match and with the discount. So yeah, think about that before you buy this cabinet for the same price. Because I bought the new model Pac-Man for the same price as this one. But this one I got a discount, so I didn't pay that much. I paid $180, but still it's pretty high. Yeah, anything below 160, you know, 149 like they used to before they raised the price like crazy, I think those are more reasonable price. 149 would be best. Like the Galaga was only selling for 50, but you know, you have to give them some credit and let them make some money. If they go out of business, you know, we will not have no more Arcade1up. But anyway, thank you for watching. Later.